The TriVette is one of the most unusual and technically ambitious three-wheeled vehicles ever built in the United States. Its story began in 1973 to 1974, when physicist and aerospace designer Bob Keyes responded to the first Arab oil embargo. Keyes analyzed American commuting habits and focused on one striking fact: more than 90% of cars on Southern California freeways carried only the driver. He set out to create a lightweight, fully enclosed vehicle optimized for a single occupant, capable of high fuel economy without sacrificing performance or safety. After comparing 2-, 3-, and 4-wheel layouts, Keyes selected a single front wheel, dual rear wheel configuration. This layout allowed a low center of gravity, strong aerodynamics, excellent acceleration, and extremely stable handling. Keyes treated the project like the design of a light aircraft, carefully analyzing weight distribution, variable loads, suspension geometry, and dynamic stability. The first TriVette was produced in 1974 in Ventura, California. Legally classified as a motorcycle, it used components from the Fiat 850, including its 850 cubic centimeters engine. Weighing about 1,140 pounds, the TriVette regularly achieved 50-65 miles per gallon, and customers praised its agility. A second seat behind the driver and a fully enclosed cabin made it practical for all-weather commuting. Its performance surprised the automotive world. Road Test magazine recorded 0.77 gravitational force on the skid pad, better than many contemporary sports cars, including the Corvette and Porsche 911S. In 1980, the United States Department of Transportation measured a theoretical tip-over limit of 1.28 gravitational force, proving the TriVette would slide long before becoming unstable. Keyes later built turbo TriVettes, producing about 220 horsepower, capable of 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.5 seconds and quarter-mile times of 10.4 seconds at 140 miles per hour. These high-speed results drew interest from the California Highway Patrol, leading to a pursuit vehicle design study funded by the National Science Foundation. Only about 27 TriVettes were built between 1974 and 1978, each to order. Keyes continued developing the concept, and in the early 1990s, he introduced the Vigillante, a third-generation evolution with up to 700 horsepower, over 200 miles per hour top speed, and an advanced composite chassis. Production remains extremely limited and largely custom. Today, the TriVette stands as a rare but influential example of how careful physics and lightweight engineering can redefine the limits of three-wheeled performance.